Prepare soups, sauces, or mousses with ease by using Avamix Immersion blenders. These units are durable, powerful, and reliable. With an outstanding blending capacity of up to 63 gallons, these machines will puree, whip, or emulsify foods fast. The medium-duty model features a variable speed 3/4 horsepower motor that is adjustable between 4,000 and 16,000 RPM and comes with a 10-inch blending arm. While the heavy-duty models feature an industry-leading 1¼ horsepower variable speed motor adjustable between 8,000 and 18,000 RPM with shaft sizes ranging from 12 to 21 inches. In addition, there is a 10-inch whisk attachment available, great for making large quantities of mashed potatoes. Avamix immersion blenders are also versatile, as all the blending attachment sizes and styles are compatible with any of the models. This allows you to buy the size you need and purchase more attachments as your needs evolve. For ease of use, the attachments have a reliable design and are quick to attach and detach from the unit. Purchase the bundles that include both the blending shaft and whisk, allowing you to blend a wide range of foods with one simple purchase. Built for busy commercial kitchens, the body features an ergonomic grip and several cooling vents to prevent the immersion blender from overheating. For superior durability, the razor-sharp blade and the shaft are constructed of stainless steel. Designed to boost efficiency, these immersion blenders are sure to get the job done right.